Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today is, let me tell you, the 16th, the 16th of February 2021. And we are starting a brand new diamond painting. Again, we're going to have little birdies. See? Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I think it's perhaps an apple tree. Beautiful birds on an apple tree. This is square diamonds. I can't see the camera. This is square diamonds. This is what is called a double-sided adhesive. It is covered with paper like this, and the adhesive is right here. See? We have already opened a section. We're going to start down here in the corner. Let me lift this up a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to start right here in the corner. As I said, these are square diamonds, and right now we're on a symbol arrow. And we were doing round diamonds. Remember? On the Tihani Opachak. This is from Evermoment. And I think it's more of a spring-like painting. After doing all of those round diamonds, it seems to me I am a little bit clumsy this afternoon. I'm really surprised at myself. Usually I have no problem going from from square to round, you know. But we'll get into the rhythm of things. Of course, we are going to enjoy this diamond painting, and we're going to have an absolutely beautiful painting hanging on our wall right behind me. I didn't frame the opachak yet because I am waiting for the to seal it, and for that I need well, I'm going to use an Elmer's clear glue, which is absolutely child friendly and environmental friendly, but I have to order it. And believe me, I am not too pleased with the way things have been shipped out lately. I am still waiting for one of my orders that is coming with the slow boat from China. But it's not the first time. And speaking from experience, it will get here. Just have to be patient. I always have a few diamond paintings in reserve for situations like that. However, I do take a break, as you know. We've been crocheting and rainbow looming and knitting. And what else did we do? We do a lot of things. All of my crafts are made with love, because when I make a gift for somebody, I am thinking about that person all the time. I am making the gift for them. So this is why it is named that it's made with love. you know, because I put my love into the gifts and the crafts that I make, and I make it with love for you to enjoy. Even with all the mistakes I make, I am trying to improve. Believe me, I am learning every day. This morning's voice, there was a little lag, but the voice was clear, which is a great, great, great improvement over what has been going on with my sound. These drills, for some reason, do not want to flip over, and I don't know why. Now, let's put some color in here. When I use these containers, I usually take a spoon so I don't dump it all over the place, because there is a lot of colors in here. There are 40 colors, and this is a 50 by 60 centimeters, so much, much bigger than the other one we were doing. See, they're supposed to line up nice in a straight row like that. And then we can pick it up with a multiplacer and place it down like that. See? That's the whole idea of them lining up. And as we go along, the weight of the drills will keep our canvas down, and we will use a straightener. Don't worry about that. Don't worry if you're not putting your drills in straight. First of all, when you put the one next to it, it will straighten it out. And at the end, we will use our straightener to straighten out our lines. Absolutely no problem. We are not going to worry about it. There is no diamond painting police that's going to come out and say, "Oh, you naughty, what have you done?" No, 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 no. We are to enjoy our craft. After the, the tan and brown one of the pyramids, I was really looking forward to doing a more colorful diamond painting. I think the Tehani Apachak turned out surprisingly beautiful, even though it was rather muted colors, very natural looking. I visited that place quite a few times, and I am very pleased with the renderation of the picture and the way it turned out, being natural looking. It is not an oversaturated color thing, but they try to keep it as natural as possible. So far, I had no problems with being oversaturated. This is another Evermoment. You remember we did the bird feeder, which was beautiful. And I am positive that this will be just as beautiful. I am planning to put the bird feeder and this painting we're doing now, putting it next to each other. I am planning this to go on a bedroom wall. There's a wall that is a little bit naked. And I think those two together will really bring out each other's color. With the square ones, you're doing a little slower because you need to fit them right against each other. With the round ones, there was a little bit of a gap, which is perfectly all right, because when we hang it up and we look at it from a proper distance, which means you don't have your nose on the canvas, then those gaps do not show. Just like in cross stitching, you know. I had a few people remark that this is like cross stitching. Actually, yes it is. It is taken from a cross stitch pattern. The DMC code for the colors is the same as for the cross stitching. Now, I do not know how to do cross stitching. However, this does not stop me from wanting to learn that also. I would definitely go with the pre-printed pattern. I definitely would not go with the, counting out and an Ada cloth. I don't think I would be able to do that. Definitely would learn on a pre-printed pattern. Now I do know a basic embroidery. You know, being in Eastern Europe, we tend to learn all these things, how to knit and crochet and do basic embroidery. Although nowadays it's not as common as it was in my days. Yes, yesterday I was elected to be the official YouTube grandmother. Yes. I did thank the people and I asked them how old do they think I am anyway. That I am a grandmother to, 40, 50-year-old people. But that's okay. It's sweet, I think. I don't think there are enough grandmothers on YouTube. The ones that I see, I get extremely furious. Not even angry, furious and disgusted. To try and make money by putting your grandmother out for ridicule and making fun of her shortcomings because of her age is, in my mind, disgusting. But that is only my opinion. Evidently, many people enjoy it because she has a good following, and I am positive it helps her financially. But still, in our day and age where there's not enough respect for our elderly, I don't think we should be doing that. But on YouTube, you do whatever you wish to do, whatever you wish to make your platform, and that's perfectly acceptable if this is what they want to do. And obviously, Grandma agrees with it because she doesn't object to her being filmed and put on YouTube. She takes it with a good sense of humor, I think. She knows it's done with love. And this is what is important. Spread the love. Keep the love in the family. Take care of each other. Not just once a year on Grandmother's or Mother's Day, but check up on your elderly. Check up on your parents. They may need help, but they will not ask because they were raised not to ask. Did you ever think of that? We were raised to be independent. We have a problem. We should solve it. That's the way it goes, folks. And many people, like myself, it is very difficult to ask for help. This is my opinion. Maybe it's just me, but I would be very reluctant to ask for help. Not a good thing, really. I am all heart, and if I had only one coat, I would give it to the homeless person that's freezing on the street. This is how I am. But if I was the one freezing, I would be reluctant to ask for a coat. Isn't that bad? I think it is. We should somehow have like in a middle ground, don't you think? where when we need help, we should not feel ashamed of needing help. Because in everybody's life, there may come a situation when they might need a little bit of help, a little bit of lifting up. I don't know, maybe because it's my Eastern European upbringing combined with the American upbringing that I seem to be a little bit. Maybe I should learn humility. Maybe I'm too proud. Although I didn't think I was. But that is a point to ponder, which I will think about. Is it my pride that is holding me back, or is it really my independent nature? If it is my pride, then it's not a good thing, right? Food for thought. Yes, it is. I am proud that I was always independent. Yeah. I don't think it's my pride. I think mainly it's my upbringing and the example in my family. I think that is, it sort of shapes us. Don't you think so? Of course, our environment and the feedback we get from our environment also shapes our opinions and our nature and my way of thinking. Do you think so? The things that doesn't go through my mind, I swear. Sometimes I get stuck on a topic, and believe me, I'm the kind of person that has to know. If I don't know something, I must know. I go after it. I ask 1,001 questions. Oh, let me tell you, this little old lady, when she doesn't know something, she is horrid. Absolutely horrid. Now, there's a few very strange little symbols, and I will have to look on the ledger to what that symbol is. The ledger is on the other side. It's sort of an upside down, whatever, upside down. It's a 501, DMC code 501. Okay, where are you? 501. Now, it would have been easier if I would have set these up in order, but I found it. Oh, what a pretty color. Oh, I am in love with these colors. Look at that. As soon as I stop shaking, you can look at it, I'm shaking it so they will line up. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? When you're doing diamond painting and you see fantastic colors like this on a gray, cold day like it is today. Well, believe me, it's not cold in my kitchen because I have the oven going. I'm making barbecued chicken legs, and I made some noodles next to it because I am running out of ideas as to what to cook. But on YouTube, I found such fantastic recipes. Oh my goodness. I swear I gained a couple of pounds just looking at the YouTube recipes. Fantastic, from all over the world. Have you tried those recipes? A lot of my subscribers are from all over the world, and I look at their pages. Even if I don't understand their language, you can still understand what they are cooking. I mean, I think the kitchen is an international language. I mean, chicken is chicken, you know, two legs and wings and what have you. It comes out of one end, you know. I mean, even if you don't speak the language. And all the new spices and gives me ideas as to what kind of herbs to plant in our vegetable garden to spice up and make our food a little bit more interesting. Also, those herbs are very healthy. That I have learned from YouTube also. Okay, this is all of this color. I don't see any more of this, yes. So we put this away. I wonder what this number 8 is. It's a rather dark color, and I'm curious to find out. Yes, Grandma didn't dump any. What is this number 8? Let me see. Where are you? Stop hiding. I'm going to find you. F A. Oh, look at that beautiful color for the sky. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Number 8 is a very dark color, but it's not a 310. What is this color? 939. DMC code 939 is the number 8 symbol. Now let's see. I can't even, navy blue, dark purple. I have no idea what this color is, but it's beautiful. You know, every time you open a new diamond painting and you see all these fantastic colors, I am amazed. I am totally amazed. Just think how smart these people are to come up with this. I did watch videos on how diamond paintings are made. And okay, the computer helps a lot, you know, but you have to program the computer, and they have to be, I think, very smart to do this. What an interesting color. I can't even put a name to it. Come on, people, give a name to this color. I'm just going to sit here and go, oh my goodness, oh, how beautiful. Oh, you want to hear this all the time, or you want to hear the name of the color? Because I can go, oh my goodness, oh, this is so beautiful. Yes, I get so excited. And I get excited when we do unboxing. Fantastic. It's like Christmas every time we unbox one of the paintings. And I would love to be happy if finally it would get here, you know. So we can open it together and go, oh my goodness, because it's so colorful. It always surprises me how different it looks in real life than it does on the paint page I order it on. Are you the same way? It's not the same when you get it and you see it in live, you know, you see it in front of you and you're like, oh, it's even more beautiful than I thought so. You know, especially me that can't even draw a straight line. To be able to make such a beautiful picture, it's a miracle. And I'm sure you feel the same way about your diamond painting. Oh. I will look at this color in daylight. It's not black, it's not navy blue, Looks more like a dark shade of purple. What's that color? Indigo. Is there such a color in English? I don't know. And this one went in the wrong place. Come on, you don't belong there. Behave yourself. Such unruly. In such a hurry to get on the canvas, you know? Indigo color, you know that paper we used to use in the old days when we copied on a typewriter and we put that paper between two sheets of paper? You know that color? This is what this looks like. But you know, in daylight, well, it is daytime over here, but it's cloudy and blech, you know, totally blech. I wish it would snow or shine or do something rather than this. But we're supposed to get out of this deep freeze in a couple of days. However, still no snow. The farmers are going to be missing the melting snow, you know, the water in the ground for the reserve. But they have irrigation, however, it is expensive to be watering the crops with drinking water because that's all that's available to them to, unless they still have some of the old wells, they're the lucky ones, but most of the old wells were covered up and they have to use regular drinking water to irrigate their land. And that costs an arm and a leg, which means that the price of crops will go up. A good thing we grow our own veggies, you know, but fruit and veggies will go up. Definitely. We don't like it, but you have to remember the farmers have to live also. They are not respected enough as it is. Okay, what are you guys doing here? Let's cooperate here. There we go. Yes, with these square drills, you really have to push them in place. Takes a couple of minutes to get into the rhythm of the square drills after doing round drills for so long. But the ones that are coming are square drills also. This one is upside down. This brown one is upside down, dear. You're not supposed to be looking like that. Okay, let me put you in there, the right side up. And how about this one? They're so shiny. Okay, where did you go? Okay. I just, usually what I do is I run my hand over them or my finger, and I can usually tell which one is not properly in its place. This is a sharp one, so you should always put the top on it so you don't stab yourself with it. And you remember, this is our straightener, and we are just going to, you know, straighten our lines with it. There we go. That's why I said don't worry about it, because we're going to straighten out the guys, you know. See? No problem. Get in your place. There we go. That's it. I keep on telling you, the main object of doing a craft is for you to enjoy it, to relax, put on some music, have some delicious drink or a little snack, um, some scented candles, for the ambience. And really enjoy yourself, relax, forget about outside. We have to spend so much time anyway indoors, so we might as well make it as pleasant as possible. That's all. Spring is coming, and we're going to be going outside. If you have a yard, take your diamond painting outside. And but I'm telling you, take your sunglasses with you, because when the sun hits these drills, oh, they sparkle. Absolutely gorgeous. Even when, I'm sitting in front of the window, even when the sun comes in through the window and these all start sparkling, oh my goodness, I wish I could show that to you. I tried, but it doesn't seem to go through on the camera. I don't know why. But especially when you have good quality drills like these are, it's fantastic. I have not done a crystal painting yet because I couldn't find one, first of all. Second of all, it's not called crystal, it's called pebbles, which I did not know. Sometimes I have a feeling I don't know English. And, but I think that would be very interesting. However, it might be hard on the eyes to have all that brightness. But I'm willing to take that risk and put my sunglasses on. Let me tell you, give me sparkle, give me colors, and I'm a happy camper. We're coming along just fine with this. We are in no hurry. We want to enjoy our craft. We want to enjoy every color. And when it starts to shape into a painting and you start seeing the details, you're like, oh my goodness. There was a couple of paintings when I didn't even know what I was painting until I started the heading, a couple of days, and started the outline of the picture, and I go, oh, that's what this is. You need to step back and look at it from a little bit off, way back, and then you can see more of the what's going on. So this is all we are going to do on today's video. We will continue with this painting for quite a while because it is a big one. As soon as I get the mail, we will do the unboxing and we will do the kitting up. That's always fun. I think it's fun to kit up diamond paintings. These are the colors for this painting. This is what we're going to be putting down in here, all of these. Yes, folks. So, thank you very much for spending some time with me today. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button if I may ask you. And if you did already, I thank you so much. I really appreciate and I love every one of my subs. Goodbye for now. Stay safe, stay warm, stay happy. See you tomorrow afternoon. Bye.